Hi, Manisha. Thank you. Thank you for joining today. And today's session will be on ClickFunnels. So let us start how we can start with ClickFunnels. Let me go and share screen so that we can open up the ClickFunnels. So there is a free trial given when you start with ClickFunnels for 14 days. But since I have been a member, so it's already there. So I'm logging into my ClickFunnels page. Let me share the screen, how it looks. So this is the main screen of ClickFunnels, and there are 4 menus out here. One is ClickFunnels, wherein you can see the funnels, the contacts and other things. It is not a very big deal to learn ClickFunnels and follow-up funnel backpack. It is not available at $97 follow-up funnel. It is available at $297. Other things are not available for $97 subscription. And there are few trainings out here. You can see funnel fix training, success path, documentaries, funnel building, copywriting, sales, traffic, business strategy, and personal development. Let us see what are there in the personal development. When you take $297, it usually brings in Tony Robbins. So let us go to ClickFunnels. If you click on the funnels, all the existing funnels will be seen here. So if we go to a new funnel, then we can go to funnel marketplace, and we can see here templates, custom design, seller dashboard. So templates is the first thing we can go and look at what all funnels are there. So this is the whole range of funnels out here. So as you are starting, you should look for all the funnels which are of $0, right? So that way, while learning, you don't have to spend money. Now, if we open for foodie, there is this template. You have to just click that and it has come. So your new, because this is a food channel template, so it is already shown. Now, if you want to do anything out there, because this is just a template, you have to edit and put all your pictures, photo, and description out here. So you go to edit page. The whole page is shown out here. Now, if you want to do anything out here, you can see there are 3. This is a green thing is showing, and if you go to the below, then it is another thing, and the dimension of this green table and that green table is different. This green is the entire thing, whatever is inside. There will be another blue thing out here, and within that blue there is an orange box out here. So if you are doing something very locally, then orange will be okay. If you are doing into a smaller unit, then blue will be the thing. And if you are doing for the entire thing, then this green will be there, right? So suppose you are putting a background out here. It is better to go to the green and then put a background out here. So for example, here, let us start by putting a background. Here, whatever is the background thing, let me put another scheme. So I have some previously uploaded photographs out here. Let me click this one. So it has come. You can see the background has changed and the logo and everything has come, right? So let me change that one. So whatever was there from the beginning, we can have that one by clicking here. So it has come. Understood the first lesson? Then here is the setting. Here it shows about integration. So each time we use ClickFunnels is for the landing page. Why do we need a landing page? Landing page is required to run a Facebook ad campaign. So where we we show something, and here is a click box wherein we invite the whoever is looking at it to give his details, contact details, like let us see out here what is there. So his contact details will be available here. Let me put the input screen out here. It is not connected. So select integration. There are so many things out here. Huh? Options, yes, options are here. Manisha says there are options. These options are actually the background databases which will capture your contact details. So my detail is strategic call, Clarion interfaces. Then there are other things. Let me see what I have got. Get responses. Let me see out here what is there. There is no database out here. Let me see this one. Remove the audience. At the SGT. This should have my databases. Add to audience. Then there is a selected list. No list is selected out here. So there should be, let us start from the, till we find a database, we need to look at this as to where that database is. Makeup masterclass. This is Clarion. Let us see what is there. Hidden audience. There is no list. Okay. What I will do is, since this is a new thing, there is no database included as yet. So what I'll do is, I will check another one which is I'm using right now, so that it will be easier for us to experiment and understand as well. So let me go to ClickFunnels another. No, this. Let us start from a blank page so that there is no thing, no designs out there, and we can introduce our designs there. Build a funnel. Funnels. Here in place of learn more, let me put a input box. The boxes are here. There are several boxes out here. In fact, a button. This means this is to sign up. So when this comes up, we can change the messages out here, the button text. Click to sign up or save my seat or whatever you can see. There is a subtext also. We can say limited seats, right? Then set action. So it will open a pop-up. So if we choose this option, then there is a pop-up here. That pop-up also we can edit. There is nothing is showing out here. Now we will add at least 3 columns out here, or say 1 column. Let us right now add 1 column, and that column will be a input, and here the email address is here, so it shows a email address. Let us click out here. Whenever we do any editing, there is a star. If we click the star, it comes out here. Email address is here, that is okay. This we have to put as required, and then the font also we can change. So let us keep this font as it is. Then input type. Input type is email address. Because we are choosing email address, let us put email address out. So this is done. Once this is done, then we should put save. Then to add another thing, another input box, again we go and put another box out here. Again we have to choose the input box because we want to take phone. Required input type is phone number. So here we can change, it is phone number. Then this one is done. Then the third thing we require is name. The first thing we should have asked for name. So let us change. Let's add an image. So here, instead of email, we can choose name so that we can ask for the email at the last. This one is, we can ask for full name, and we will change this as your name. So it now captures your name. Third, we have to do a email address. Again, we go there. Here, if you see, if we choose the blue one, it also adds, but it will ask again as to how many columns you want, right? So suppose there are two more columns you want before this, under this, then you can choose the blue block box. Otherwise, your orange box will do. Understood? So we will go for the orange box. So it takes us directly to the choices. Now again we are using for email address. So email address is already there. Again we click the star. It is not set. We will put email address and it is done. So the pop-up is now done. Once this is done, we save. We should keep on saving so that it takes 30 seconds or so to be saved. So every now and then we should save, because sometimes what we do is we need to change something. So if we exit, then entire thing goes. So that we need to keep saving. Then the second is, this is not very required, although let us put it is hoodie store front. We can make it as Manisha's store. Store. Description is
Finds scrumptious and delicious.
find sumptuous,
Scrumptious. SCRU
SCRU
MP
MP
TI
TIOUS
OUS.
and
Delicious
delicious
meals.
meals.
Hmm.
Meals. Dishes
At
and
fair
meals
price.
at
Uh,
fair prices.
hmm.
Yeah.
So he would say that click on a landing page.
Let us put what do you want to put?
Food,
Food,
cuisines,
cuisines,
meals,
meals,
fare, FARE.
FARE, fair कौन?
Fare माने variety of food.
Variety लिखे हो ना, fair variety
Variety of food.
Hmm.
Your name.
So here variety done. Then your name, Manisha Mahananda. Don't have any image, so let us put some food image if we can find.
Stop रहना.
These are my things, so we can put the image out here. Right. Done. So this is done. So we'll put save. So that is about SEO metadata, which we have done. We don't much understand about how the SEO metadata works, but that is what we have done. Now here, the tracking data, this is not much required because it requires the pixel, Facebook pixel. Unless we put any pixel, this is not going to work. So for the time being, Facebook pixel, let us see what Facebook, we don't have any pixel. So there is no pixel out here. Now custom CSS is about any, that is also a code. Background is
What is Facebook pixel?
Facebook pixel is the tracker which tracks when somebody comes to your page and he counts that. So that one you can see. Save my seat. Okay. What else is there? Video series before you start. Episode 1 is put this more info. What info do you want here to be put
This comes under what options?
before you start? So these are starters.
Okay.
So what status, like say, what is so special about your status? So that one we can put out here. So there are 4 things special about your food. One,
Customization.
so anything about food you can put like this. And if you want to add something more, suppose you want to add 4 boxes out here or 1 box. Something special you need to put there. So suggest something what you want to put. Anything extra comes to your mind when you are putting this thing?
Not yet.
Not yet. So suppose we have 8 varieties of episodes in our food varieties. So what we can do now is we can add a new row. So we'll choose 4 columns or we can choose 3 columns. Let us see. Then these columns will come, right?
Add reviews or pictures.
Add new element. So always what you can do, you can add these ones also you need to put na. So what you can do is this will be one headline.
Okay.
So let us say episode number 5. Done. Then there is a blue line showing up and yellow line also. Here we can add another sub headline and we call that as dessert.
Dessert double S.
And if you want to bold them, then you can bold like this, right? And because it looks very below, so let us click this and here we can reduce the top margin. It comes to the top and it should be as big as the upper line. So let us increase the font size, right? We can also decrease the font size out here so that it matches to other episodes. So what we do, we go out here. Done. Now the color is a bit other type. So what we can do here, we can keep the text color and this might be the color.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
Yes. And suppose we want to change the font, then the font size is out here, font family, right? We can change to any font, Bogoto, anything, right? And before under this, we have to put one video. We go here and put a video. So a video is done out here. Since the video looks like say looks bigger. Okay, it looks bigger.
Okay, we'll adjust.
We'll adjust. And the about the video and the outlines, the color combination will be here.
Themes.
Themes. So we want to do something like this,
Red outline.
pink outline. If we want an outline, then we can choose. Let us see if there is a pink outline.
Here it's red.
So it looks red. In the advance, there is nothing. So here, the background color, we can choose something like the pink. Let us see if it happens. It doesn't happen in because this is the outline. And let us see what else we can do out here. Background color, then theme. In the advance. So this is the way you can choose and add something, right? Here is the subscribe to my email list below. Every landing page will have this as common. This is the part where landing page is basically to capture the contact details. So that is why everywhere this will happen, and this is not a not it is not a pop-up. This is a segment which is here inbuilt, right? So subscribe means if you click on this, it will take you to subscribe. If you put this set action, then there is a go to website URL. If you click that, there is a place for website URL. If you put that link, then automatically somebody clicking here will subscribe there, right? So this is all about the ClickFunnels thing. All the books and all the pictures, those are there. These pictures are inbuilt out in here. What you can do is, if you don't want these pictures and you want to put something else, then you have to collect those pictures and put out here, right? So see, and this is not done in ClickFunnels. The pictures that you want to put, those can be designed in other softwares, which are Canva and so many other softwares. Photoshop and other things also. So once you are done, all these are designed in another software, and those have been just captured out here. So for putting any photographs, you have to just click this one, and in the image URL you go click there, and that image has to be uploaded out here. Suppose there is the image that you want is not yet out here, then what you can do is you can do upload, and that comes out here, right? This is all about ClickFunnels. The beauty of ClickFunnels is it allows you to do these pictures. Now, the aesthetics of ClickFunnels depends on your ability to create the pictures and put it as a collage and bring it here, and then also adjust according to the boxes those are there where you describe the entire thing, right? So what you can do is, even with the help of Canva and also PowerPoint also, we can do so many things and save them as pictures, right? So can we do, let us do something, some experiments. Hmm? Okay.
Second part of the
Okay. Because I don't want to sacrifice these pictures. So that is why I am adding another column. And here I'll add a
Picture.
yes, add a picture. Where is the picture?
Correct.
Image. What image we should put out here?
Makeup masterclass.
Makeup master class. Right.
Featured product.
This is how we can do combination. This is all that is there about ClickFunnels, right? Yeah.
I'll try.
Yeah. So let us save this one. Once the setting is over out here, we get out of here. And we come here. There are two other important thing here, which is settings.
Where did you click?
In the settings.
Okay.
So there are already listed some domains are out here. So this is my domain. And every other things you can put here according to your choice. This can be foodie one.
What is group tag?
This is a cookbook. Anything
I can tag anything.
anything you related to your food or food items you can tag. And then here is the tracking code where the Facebook pixel will come. And you can save this
Update settings.
and it is done. Now your name is Foodie Storefront Funnel. Foodie Manisha's store. Again, we need to save. Now there is another aspect called publishing. Manisha stores. Store. This shows as store one, right? So when you click out here, your entire store should appear here. So in order to make this clean, what we can do is now we can click here. Manisha's store and this will be one. This now appears clean. right? This is all about ClickFunnels first class, right? And we'll continue with another class afterwards. Thank you for being a good student. Thank you.